So with that said, I just let him go as long as he wanted to, and he went on for about an hour and a half, which was awesome because after that I said, "Hey Jason, will you give me the timestamps?" Right now, let me show you an example of what I'm talking about here. All right, so here we are at the actual YouTube video watch page itself, and I wanted to show you this. I realized that you may not know the whole timestamps thing, right? So right here, as you can see, if I can click on any of these links, and it'll take me to that exact moment in the Hangout, almost like a table of contents, right? So I asked Jason, will you give me an outline of the points that you talked about and where you talked about them? And so he came back to me and said, here, 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 and here. And so I took the titles, everything that he talked about, and then just put in the actual description, the actual time, just like this, 0:29, and just like that. It adds the link automatically. So that gave me a really cool table of contents. But then after that, what I also wanted to do is go beyond this and actually create the videos from 29 seconds to 2 minutes and 10 seconds. And we talk about the usual approach that everyone, including Jason, recommends, the numerous problems with it. Let me show you this. Here's the uploads. Here's all the videos, the 35 videos that we have. Let me show you this. Where I went to youtube.com/editor. And every YouTube video that you upload or Hangout that you create, you can access through the YouTube editor. So I mean, there's a bunch of videos in here now, but when I started, I just had this one right here. I had also made a quick 10-second video with just using basic images. Right? It was just it was a preview. It was like, coming soon, there's an interview. You should totally check it out and subscribe to the channel. So all I did was grab this and drag it right down here into the timeline, which basically is its own fancy little editor here. And then I went and used the little table of contents that Jason gave me, and I created these 35 videos from this one Hangout. Now, creating additional videos in the YouTube editor is extremely beneficial because it does two things. First of all, it creates a brand new YouTube page, which means it's its own page that can get its own ranking and have its own points of reference in different topics of conversation. That's what I wanted. When people talk about fulfillment by Amazon on certain social media sites or in forums, I can actually drop the YouTube link of that clip where he talks about fulfillment by Amazon. And really, you could go on and on with this and find different places to post these videos to that can drive even more traffic. Which is why I told you earlier, you really should try and find products that are evergreen, that can be sold all year long, or if it's not, work out a specific deal with the product creator to allow you to sell their product as an affiliate through YouTube. So I'll end on this point over here. We'll jump back over to Google Plus because I want you to see some of the things I did on Google Plus specifically. Now you can see right here, this is a really funny review on Amazon, and I posted it on here because Amazon reviews are actually really important, and I posted this as a demonstration of how important reviews are and how they can kind of bite you in the end if you're not careful, right? So it doesn't have specifically to do with Amazing Selling Machine, but it does have to do with Amazon, and it's content that people see, and they're more likely to circle this page and to interact with it because well, honestly, it's a really funny review. The other thing I want to show you is I made sure and put in hashtags, because if we click on this right here, you see that this is a page, it's a list of everything that has a hashtag Amazing Selling Machine in it. But there really aren't a whole lot of people who are using hashtags, and I pretty much take up this whole thing, right? So we've got Amazing Selling Machine. This is the full Hangout, and then here's the community. I made a public community for it just in case. Not a lot of people joined it, but you know, it was there just because I wanted to have one more thing that said Amazing Selling Machine that was tied to me and my affiliate link. Here's a hashtag here. Hashtag. Here's my link. Hashtag. You see where I'm going with this? Hashtags are really good. So this is basically showing you all of the posts related to hashtag Amazing Selling Machine. Now, if anybody else wrote hashtag Amazing Selling Machine in their Google Plus postings or even on YouTube now, they would show up in this list, but they didn't. And it has been proven posts that integrate hashtags with keywords in them experience a large upswing in clicks to their website. If there's anybody that you're thinking about interviewing, I would strongly encourage that you interview bigger marketers, bigger gurus, because they're the ones that actually understand how beneficial doing interviews like this is, and they're also willing to share in whatever bonuses or commissions or whatever like that. Whatever they can do to get a few more sales, they're totally game for. One of the biggest things that I've noticed in interviewing people is that it's just a lot easier to work with people who are more well known. So I'm hoping that this case study will give you inspiration to get out there and interview bigger name people, because there's more money on the table and not enough people doing this. There's plenty of space for everybody right now to jump in on this. So thanks so much for watching this case study, and I'll see you guys in the next video.